What up, boys and girls? DC here, and we got another video. We're just gonna grab a few things. First, in the store, we've got a free gift. If you haven't got it, get it. Obviously, this will help. You get a couple of masks. Hopefully, this comes back a few times because not having a lot of luck pulling these off the board. So we're gonna grab that. We're also gonna grab we'll grab this. What the hell? And again, if some people don't know this, you can skip the videos. You will lose your reward. Close the video. You're still gonna get it. This works for PvP, King of the Ring. You can skip the videos in King of the Ring and still get your refill or your energizer, or recharge, whatever the hell they call them. You can also do it with PvP bouts. These look pretty cool, these new cards. We're going to grab this on this account strictly because it's a collectible. Be cool to get a new one, but any one we don't have from the old series will be great. So let's just grab this. SummerSlam 20. Yeah, I'll take it. Didn't have that. That's pretty cool. Now, there's no quest. I don't know why that pops up like that. So, we're going to jump over to my other account. Okay, we're on my other account, and we're going to play a few PvPs. For God's sakes. I actually prefer war. It's quicker. What were we on? 78, okay. I don't think that's a... No, it's not. I didn't think I had that pro. I didn't think that was a pro. Paul Mendoza or whatever the hell it was. So yeah, gonna play a few PvPs. Gonna be a little bit quiet in this video because it's about 5 o'clock in the morning, so starting my grind early. Really need to put a compatible. Really need to get a compatible female. I think I do have one, but I couldn't be bothered putting it in. We're going to save up some draft picks. Like I said, I haven't had a lot of luck pulling these cards off the board. Some people may have luck. I've had none. It's been an absolute bitch pulling these cards off the board. let's start another one. So yeah, I don't mind War. I mean, Royal Rumble's obviously the best for draft picks, but just couldn't be bothered playing Royal Rumble. It goes for too long, especially when you get players that sort of let the game play out. Ugh. Royal Rumble can take forever. That's why I like War. It usually goes pretty quick. Even if somebody doesn't pick a card straight away, it goes a little bit quicker than Rumble, obviously, because Royal Rumble, it can take an eternity to go through, especially if somebody doesn't play it, if they just let it basically roll. I'm loving this new card back. I'm loving the Liv Morgan card back. I really am. So I'm not sure what we're going to do after this. This is only going to be a quick video. Mr. Fuji. He was one of my favourites growing up. Mr. Fuji was even though he was a heel, he was a spin out. And that's the thing. I think as a kid, you sort of despise guys like Mr. Fuji and the bad guys. But when you get older and you watch them back, you realise how brilliant they were as entertainers. I used to love it when he throw salt in the eyes of... he used to throw the salt in the eyes. And then he'd sniggle at ringside. I'll play one more. And then, yeah, we'll see. May do something else. I'm not sure. Ham sandwich. Again, this video is a little bit more quiet than usual because it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to wake the household up, so it's going to be very quiet. Overrun. Little tip for Overrun. Get as many Overrun cards as you can in your decks and you'll be sweet. That's what I actually recommend. If you've got a card that's not Overrun, check to see if it can become an Overrun. And if it can, it's usually worth trying 50 credits if you've got the credits. Because if you can get a couple of Overrun cards in your deck, it makes playing this so much easier. Like if you have a look at my top deck, or not my top deck, but if you just look at a couple of my top cards, you'll see that I've actually got, oops, we'll move that up there. If you actually look at my cards, apart from the event cards like this and the thing cards, a lot of my cards are Overrun. See, all you got to do is just check, then tap the little eye. See, now, none of those are worth it, really. But you just go through. See, most of my cards are Overrun. So, again, just check. For those that don't know how to do it, that's how you do it. But as you can see, most of my cards are Overrun. So that does really help when it comes to getting an advantage. If you've got a bunch of Overrun cards, it can save you. It can save you in a couple of tight matches. So yeah, there's not much else we can do. So what we might do Oh my god, 10 minutes. How this video has flown by. What we might do, we might grab this, just for the sake of it. That was a good card at one stage. And you know what we might do? We may grab one or two of these depending... I don't know. Depending how I feel. We'll just grab one for now. It's an old school. Well, not an old school, but it's, yeah, Vanguard. You know what? We'll grab another one. Oh yeah, these probably... We get a freebie. You'd think the odds would be a little bit better, but what the hell. Let's go get the freebie. You know what? I'll take that. I wanted that one. I actually wanted that one. So that's actually pretty cool. 800, what do we got here? Should we? What's next? I think, what's next? 800, then is it 1,000 or something? What the hell, we'll grab it. Okay, so let's grab this, see what we get. That's a pro, I think. And I didn't have that, so they haven't been great, but you know what? We'll grab it. If we can get something good out of it, that'll be great. If not, meh. Just grab it. Oh yeah, these aren't great. I mean, the odds are terrible. So we'll grab this. Oof, God. Where are we at next? Okay, 1,600. You know what? Should we go for it? Should we get all 10? What's the jump? What's the jump? That's the thing, I can't remember the jump. I can't remember. Does it go up to like 3,000, 4,000? Because if that's the case, I don't really want to waste money on that. They are pretty cool cards, I've got to say. Let me think. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab it. We're going to see how we go. If it's if it jumps up too much, I may not bother. But what the hell? Hopefully we get something decent out of this. You know what? I'm getting some cool images. Ooh. It isn't, yeah. It's jumping up rapidly. What the hell? We'll do it. We might as well do it, eh? Ooh, okay, so okay, you know, I'll take that. We do get one. We get the freebie now. Hopefully this is something cool. I'm so gonna take that. Was I thrilled with it? Was it normally? No, I'd be pissed at that because it's, you know, not a great tier to be pulling out of this thing, considering the money you're spending on it. But who the f doesn't like getting an Alexa Bliss card? 3,000 credits. We're pretty much... What are we guaranteed here? We're guaranteed a SummerSlam. Let's be honest, we'd be batshit crazy not to do this. Is this the only... Okay, so you're basically going to get one of those, it looks like. I would really like to get the Nikki Ash. Let's be realistic. Any of the females would be great. In order, love to get it. First and foremost, that's the one I want. That's second strictly because it's a female. Of the guys, definitely Hurricane, just because Hurricane was a spin out. Roman's probably the strongest card. Knowing my luck, I'll get fucking Biggie. Which probably is not going to end up being a good card. What the hell? Let's do it, boys and girls. Let's get it. Here we go. The moment of truth is here. Let's make sure we're still recording. Yes, we are. The moment of truth has arrived. What? What? Oh. What did I tell you? What the f did I tell you? How did I know that was going to happen? Look, I'll take it. It's a SummerSlam 21, but oh, you son of a bitch, Supercards! I knew you would do that to me. So yeah, so that works out to be. What did that work out to be? I wasn't paying attention. Was it about 9,000 credits or something? About 9,000 credits. I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I definitely wouldn't do that again. Even for a SummerSlam card, it was just, yeah, that was pretty, wasn't really worth the 9,000 credits. We'll grab this one because it is, I'm happy with that. I don't think I had that. We'll grab this. What the hell? We'll go to the free one. Dexter, that's a pro, I'm pretty sure, and we'll get a free one. If we could score big out of this, that'd be sweet. I'll take it, it's Kane. Anyway, we're going to wrap it up there, boys and girls. Hopefully you had fun with that. I probably wouldn't do that again, strictly because it's not really worth it. But I thought I'd do something special. So, you know, if they were cheaper, definitely. I don't like to jump, but it's really not worth 9,000 credits. But let's go to Biggie. Where is Biggie? There's a few images in here that are cool, but that looks pretty cool. So does that. I'm really... That does look good. Sort of torn between... That does look pretty badass, doesn't it? I don't know. What do you guys think? That or the Halloween card? Probably go with that one for now. Let's we did get the Jeff Hardy, so that's not too bad, I suppose. I forgot about that. Yeah. But again, we got anything here? We can use that. Actually, no, we'll keep that. We'll get rid of that one. I like to keep one of each of these cards because, let me rephrase it. I like to keep one of each of these cards because they usually have quests where it says use a road case, use a chair, use a second wind, and they're almost unpullable off the board during those times. So I recommend trying to keep one of each. That way you don't get shafted when they have one of those quests. Nothing really there at the moment. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up there, guys. I don't know if I'll do that pack again. I probably won't because I'll work out what it cost me, but I think it costs around 9,000 credits, and it's like I said, I wasn't paying attention. It may have been less, but yeah, definitely not really worth it. Would have been worth it if I'd gotten Nikki Ash or Bianca or even the Hurricane, but the fact I got Biggie, if I was gonna get if I was gonna get a pro Biggie, I'd probably do it. But the odds of me getting a pro Biggie, I'd probably end up getting a freaking another single. So anyway, guys, we're gonna wrap it up there. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other.